your brothers? These are brothers. Sorry about her cage. She likes to throw things out. That's all food. Yep. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Right, so Shikawa's finally been moved into my room. She's in here. The budgies are right there. So, yeah, they're about to go meet each other, so I'm excited about this. I'm gonna get their initial reaction. So let's go. Shikawa, what do you think? Did you see them? Wanna go meet them? Let's go. Let's go meet them. Say hello. Oh, babies. She's a little scared, a little timid. She's kind of been ducking their dye bombs. Oh, thank you very much. I'll clean that up in just a second. Oh. She's scared. Hey, this is your sister. She's a new member of your flock. Okay? Okay, so I kind of just put Shikawa in their cage to like kind of let her get used to it, let her check it out. Yep, she sees Sweet Pea right there. Oh, look at the bell. You see the nice bell? Yes. Oh, yes, bells are amazing. Yeah, I don't know. They're a little bit weird like that. Oops. Sorry. There we go. She's confused with all of them going around. Aren't you? You're just a little confused. Oh, it's okay. Are you miniature arguing over there? What are y'all doing? You gonna go say hi? Will they let you? I know. Such a nice welcoming, isn't it? So mean. Straight to the toys. Can you just like pick one thing to do? Put you up there. Put you up there. Cute. Well, she's definitely found all the toys because she doesn't have any toys in her temporary cage. She's definitely found all those. So it's been about 30 minutes. The birds have been flying around each other, just getting used to each other. And then Sweet Pea and Shikoba even got on the ground and they just like kind of looked at each other, like observed. They were actually pretty close, about just close, and just circled. Confused. But yeah, so noise. So we got Budgie on the top, Conyer on the bottom, and Treats on the bottom as well. But anyway, yeah, so we have that. And this is also like toy supplies and all that stuff. That's the carrier. I love it. This is the first time I've seen them all together. pretty. Hi there, pretty girl. Hi. Hi there. No, no, no. Oh, no, no.